Naghanap ka ba ng modern minimalist house? No spot down payment? Dahil ang down payment ito ay payable ng 36 months. If interested ka, don't skip this video. This is Pao Pipito, your home search buddy. 2-story modern minimalist house na may floor area na 71 square meters. Kaya naman meron tayong enough space para sa ating living, dining, at kitchen area. At meron pa tayong extra lot dito sa back na pwede nyong gamitin for your service area or extension ng inyong kitchen area. Ang lot size nito ay 54 square meters. Kaya naman may provision tayo for 1 carport. Semi-finished turnover dahil ang ground floor natin ay meron na itong tiles, primary paint, 2 toilet, 1 bath with complete fixtures. At may provision ito para sa spacious na 3 bedrooms. Dito sa ating second floor, ang actual turnover natin dito ay